Hello there. What I have here now is Laksa Sarawak from Lifa. So in the market, this is the only instant Laksa Sarawak I can find. But most of the time we find all the sambal and condiment, but we will not see this instant. So I'm going to try it, and this is my first time. I'm going to see, is it good enough? Is it can challenge all the laksa we eat at the cafe, at the coffee shop, and the one we love, we used to love. So how going to test? Is it worth to buy? Okay. Later on we see the test review. But now we have to prepare. Okay, now what I have here is all that we're going to garnish our laksa. The normal, we see it at the egg for the omelette, and we have the bean sprout. Here I have a chicken thigh. See, normal at the shop, they use a chicken breast and shredded it, but I have at one of the shop Tabuan Jaya there, where we use the pig chicken thigh like this and chop it, and I love it more than the shredded chicken breast. So this time around I will use this chicken thigh, and of course Laksa Sarawak will not complete. We have the prawn. The bigger it is, the better this laksa look like. Now let's prepare all the thing, and we start with our omelette. Now, okay, my omelette is beaten here to be prepared, and at the same time I boil the water. This is going to use later on to boil all the bean sprout, our chicken, our prawn, and lastly our bihun reserved for the laksa. Now we put the chicken. Let it boil first. At the same time, I will prepare my omelette, and I will use this to make it easy. Use this non-stick pan, and to make it bulky, I like to use this burger for the eggs. For the prawn, you don't overcook it, because later on it will be tough. So what we do, we just cut and leave it at the boiled water here, all the brains, everything, because it will create extra taste for our laksa later on. All the brain will come out. With my prawn also, my chicken done. Now it's time for the bean sprout. For the bean sprout, it's better to have this strainer. It's easy for you. For the bean sprout, you don't have to make it too long, otherwise it will be very soft, and we want all the crunchiness from the bean sprout still there. So now it's time for the star of our show, the Laksa Sarawak itself. So here we have 4 each. Okay, 4 packets. 1, 2. So this, you see, this bihun is divided into 4 pieces, 4 portion, and each portion you will have all this condiment. You see this is will be condiment. Let's see what inside. This will be our coconut cream powder. This will be the seasoning for the soup, and this will be our sambal. So according to the instruction here, we have to boil it in the boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. So we're going to do it one, because we're going to have 1 portion only. So is it enough? Now it's look like the bihun is soft already. The vermicelli is soft. You see. Take it, put to the bowl. So as you can see here, okay, let me do a closer look. Don't think it will be enough for me, so I will make another one. Now we slow down the fire, then we put all this condiment. Now let me test how is this. Tastes great. That's okay. So we add a bit of water. We have more soup inside. Okay, leave it to boil, and we prepare to plate our laksa. Now, okay, finally we finish our laksa. So this is it after garnishing. I hope you can see it. Okay, see the prawn there. The generous amount of the chicken thigh. See this omelette. Okay, now let's test it. The verdict. So here is the moment of truth. Is it worth to buy or not? Does it taste good as our street laksa or not? The vermicelli is quite nice, very nice. They use the smaller size, and it's soft, just like I like it to be when I eat at the cafe there for my laksa. I didn't like the big vermicelli. I like the smaller one and the softer one. So this is quite nice. as for the soup, yep, the taste for me, they are better out there, and they are also far worse than this one out there. So as the laksa, it's very subjective subject. Some people like it the way they want it. Some people like it creamy. Some people like it spicy. And for me, this is far out there. So you will not get disappointed by buying this one. By buying this instant laksa. And the good thing is you can add anything you want inside there. My take on this product. The taste is there. My complaint is only thing is the packaging. Okay, it's supposed to have 4 portion of 80 gram. So as we tried earlier, the 80 gram portion just not enough. Maybe for those who didn't eat much, it's enough. But for normally, look like it's not enough. So I like it. So I add on 2 portion, but look like it's too much also. I like it if it's somewhere around 100 to 120. That one will be a better portion for me. Maybe 120 will be quite nice. So if you want to make this one, you make full for 3 person. So everybody gets something around 110, 120 each. And rather, I like to have, I like the Lifahmi company to do is make a smaller packaging like this type of meal. So just now we see if I open it, the 2 of the portion will expose. It's either I eat it at the same time whole, or I have to keep it properly in airtight container. So this one packaging is better, easier for us to take traveling, and just look better compared to this one. Whether you should buy this or not, for me, if you stay within the reach of a good laksa near your home, don't waste your time to buy this one. You can prepare it at home you can stand by it at home just in case you don't want to go out and to eat laksa. You just want to have a good during the weekend, just relax at home, but you want to have laksa, okay? Then you can have this one. And for those tourists who have been to Sarawak and want to take the taste of the Laksa Sarawak back at their home in Europe, other part of Asia, or anywhere part of the home where they cannot have a good laksa, so you can buy this one, bring it to your home country, and you can have it anytime you want if you miss Laksa Sarawak. That's all for now. Okay, it's time for me to finish my laksa. Bye.